Hello everyone. Yesterday I uploaded a video in the Hindi Urdu language which was based on my secret how I was trading the patterns, but after a lot of requests which I got received from the members that they told me please record the same type of content in the English. So today I'm trying to record a new video for you people. So let's identify the entry point for the trading. It is the Euro USD. We need some more pairs, Euro GBP and GBP JPY, and then GBP USD. Also Euro JPY we can trade USD JPY also. So 5 pairs are enough for. Okay, so recently there was a entry which we have missed because of 1 minute before I saw this chart I need to place the sale here. Why? While that is that I found that this is the motive, then the counter, then the last effort, and then the new motive starts in which I was trying to trade the pattern. But this is not I'm trading here, and here look at, no, there is no opportunity. Yes, after that, if I found the bullish pattern here, then definitely I will trade. But let's see, it will take a time 2 to 3 minutes. If the patterns are, yes, now looks that is a pattern which can be the single candlestick pattern, the hammer or the pin bar hammer, and we have a resistance level here, so we must care about the resistance levels as well. As see, this is our resistance level, and if the price not touches the resistance level and closes below and it is a hammer, we will place a call option here. So look at it, comes to the resistance level. So now if it crossed, then I will place a trade. Yes, it's crossed and I have placed the trade, so that market will move up. And now this is our bullish harami pattern. The bullish harami pattern which I traded without the retracement, the price will move up and it will give us a winning trade. So let's check the result. Why I placed this trade here? Because in the momentum the sellers was moving down, and then the buyers counter attack on the sellers, and then the sellers just gave the last effort. They told about that we are exhausted. Then buyers entered. After entry of the buyers, we go for the buy here. The trade which was very simple, which I traded, and this way you can trade. That is called the understanding of market cycle. And after this trade, so I will show something more to you, that how we can understand the complete market cycle. So this trade is just a sample of the market cycle trade. So I'm going to share the file of the how we can understand the complete market cycle. I'm going to search the file, and then I will share with you the complete understanding. Okay, so let's see here. To understand the binary option market cycle, in the market cycle we are going to trade the patterns, that which pattern will work and which will not work mostly. So if I show you the content, that how we are understanding the market cycle. One thing, market cycle is based on the 4 waves. One market cycle is based on the 4 waves. In case the price is moving down, minimum 3 candles you need. Minimum 3 candles you need in a direction. This wave must have a 3 candles. That it will be called the motive. After the motive, when the sellers are strong, buyers will counter attack the motive. Then you will find the buyer's entry. That is called the counter. So now when the buyers will enter in this area, that will be engulfing, that will be Pearson line, maybe it inside bar, maybe a bullish army, whatever the pattern you will find. So that is the counter. So don't trade the counter pattern. If you will trade the counter pattern, I think that you will get the 50% result at this stage. If you trade the bullish pattern, you need to wait for the last effort. When the buyers control the speed of the sellers, or control the momentum of the sellers, and the sellers are getting weak now, then sellers will try. Maybe they will be exhausted, maybe they will show you the less effort, maybe they will show you that we are weak, or maybe they will show you that we are still strong. So the third wave, which I'm telling, that is the last effort. After the last effort, buyers will enter again. And now at this point, if you find any bullish pattern without retracement, it will work. In case if sometimes you find the retracement, maybe you will lose that trade, and then you can take a one-step martingale. Definitely you will win the trade. I'm going to show you some examples that how we can understand. Understanding the market cycle in the market, that if you got a one green candle, then another green candle, then third green candle if you find, means now that is called a motive. So in this motive, and now it is expected the buyers can continue, maybe the sellers can counter attack the buyers. So I saw that the sellers counter attack the buyer. This is called the counter attack. Now even you found a hammer, inverted hammer, shooting star, whatever the bearish candle you found at this stage, don't trade that one, because this is a counter attack. The counter attack means it is only for just to slowing the speed of the buyer, to stop them. It is not for the continuation of the new trend. So that's you need to wait, and then buyers will show you this effort. When they will show you the effort, and they are telling that we are not able to cross this resistance level of the red candle, but you don't trust on this level. You need to confirm the one seller candle. That will be your confirmation, not the resistance level. You need to, if you say that there is a resistance level, I need to place a sell option, that will be called the reversal. So we are not trading the reversal trade, we are trading the pattern. So after that, when you find the red candle, so this red candle and the green candle is equal. If you count like that is a dark cloud cover, not the engulfing, we can count as a dark cloud cover, that you can trade the next candle. See, that will be the red candle. And then you need to wait. Now the three candles again you found from the seller side, means it is the motive. Now keep in mind that that will be your next motive. Again we found a red candle, and then buyers enter. This time they enter two candles. So this will be your first motive, and that will be your counter. This counter pattern you don't need to trade. While there is a morning star, there is a continuation sign. Everybody is thinking that the next candle will be the green. Yes, as per the rule, that the next candle will be the green. But where? Which position is this of the price? At the counter. So at the counter, how you can expect? Definitely you just to leave it. That is a counter. The sellers will try again. They tried, they tried, tried, they tried. That is the complete last effort. First is your motive, counter, last effort, and now the buyers will start. See, this is a morning star pattern. Now without retracement you can tell, but the lot of candles will move in direction. See, it's moving. This type of content, while I'm just animating the candles and you're thinking that this is an artificial chart, but this is not. That is the magic. Look, I'm going to show you. That is the real chart. See, that is the entry, motive, counter, last effort, new motive. So in new motive, you trade this candle. This time I'm just sharing that one candle you need to trade. After that, slowly, when I will update this strategy, that how we can trade the third candle, fourth candle, fifth candle, also lot of opportunities we will find in the new motive. And again, you can see same thing. Yeah, it's working. There are a lot of more examples on the market cycle, because the market is full with the market cycle understanding. So here you will find it can be 3 candles, 2 candles in a counter, and then 1 single candle in a last effort, then the bias will continue. So don't need to trade this pattern, need to trade this outside bar without retracement. The second pattern, the second type of pattern which we can trade, that will be this one. 3 candles moving down, 3 candles moving up, 3 candles moving down. So first will be your motive, counter, then last effort. And now if you find any pattern you need to trade, mostly it will work for you, and then the market is continuing. So now for example here, this will be a motive, counter, new motive, and now it is possible the new motive from the sellers, it can start. After that, the third and last example, sometimes you will find the motive, then the counter, and then the last effort which close on the motive base. The last motive base, this is the last motive base, and this last effort closed here. If you found now any pattern, you can immediately trade. Mostly you will find in the market. So that's all about the market cycle. That trade the pattern with the help of the market cycle. If you understand this market cycle, your lot of problem will be solved in the trading. Look, if we have this way, if we can filter the patterns as per the wave analysis, wave cycles, then how many other patterns will be there? How many other concepts will be there? Lot of concepts, lot of secrets I have, which slowly I will share with you people. Slowly. It's my promise, inshallah. Thank you so much, brothers.